Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the top 10 reasons to buy the new Vivo V20. So Vivo has announced their latest device under the V series, the Vivo V20, with really great hardware and exceptional pricing as well. 24,999 is a great pricing for the hardware it offers and the features. So we'll talk about the top 10 reasons why you should be picking the Vivo's latest smartphone, the Vivo V20. So let's get started. So if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So the first and foremost thing has to be the design and looks. So you can see that it is just 7.38 mm in thickness, one of the slimmest device out there. And apart from that, it is just 171 grams, which is incredibly lightweight. Now, if you look at the most of the smartphones launching in this price segment, you can see they are bulky and heavy, but this is one area where the Vivo V20 stands out with stunning looks and lightweight design and one of the slimmest form factors at 7.38 mm. So it's extremely lightweight and well designed. You can also see that the design looks stand out with the triple camera layout, extremely neat layout. The back glass looks stunning, the Vivo branding and everything falls into place pretty neatly, and one of the good looking smartphones out there. So Vivo V20 has to be the best looking smartphone in this price segment. Now, second reason has to be the 44 megapixel camera. Now, this device has a 44 megapixel iFocus selfie camera. Now, what is different about this iFocus camera is that when you generally do friend video recording or friend photography, the face is something which is kind of focusing, and even in some cameras it's like fixed focus. So what happens is when you take photos, the face is kind of highlighted and the eyes and other parts of the face gets blurred out, and as a result the video or the photography doesn't look that great. Now with the 44 megapixel iFocus selfie camera, it's a Samsung's DH1 sensor with autofocus which can sharply focus from 15 centimeter and up to infinity. Now what happens is you can get really great portraits which are rich in color and depth, and the Ultra HD 44 megapixel front camera captures with details in really great aspects. So that's one of the highlights of this device. So in order to enable the iFocus, you can see that there is a motion autofocus functionality in the settings. So just go here, enable eye autofocus. You can choose between auto mode, left eye or right eye, and it will start the eye autofocus. So what happens is you can right now see how eye autofocus works, and it's the moment I turn on the selfie camera, it actually focuses your eye and thereby giving you the best possible selfie experience along with great video recording. So that's point number 2. Now third point or third reason is the 4K selfie video. Now we have seen 4K recording for the rear camera on most of the smartphones, but what happens with the Vivo V20 is that you can record videos in 4K resolution using the front camera as well. So if you go to the front camera and go to the video recording and just select here, you can see video recording. 4K video recording can be taken with the selfie camera of the Vivo V20. So this is something which is really good. Now a good thing about the 4K recording is that it gives you better details and better clarity and overall better detailing for the selfie video as well. So next reason has to be the availability of Android 11. So one of the devices with Android 11 out of the box right now has to be the Vivo V20. So Vivo has revamped the UI. You can see that now you get the app drawer, the notification toggles are completely changed. You can see that new customized toggles, and you can also see that the system has changed. A lot of additional features are there. As I said before, the ultra game mode. You do get customization options. Dynamic effects are included for fingerprint animations, charging, USB inserted, screen off, screen on. So a lot of customizations are possible with this UI, and you get Android 11 out of the box. So that's something which is pretty good, and you can see that this is running Android 11 out of the box. So next reason has to be the 33 watt flash charger. Now the 33 watt flash charger can charge the device from 0 to 65% in just 30 minutes. So It has a 4000 mAh large capacity battery, and you can charge the device up to 65% using this flash charge in just 30 minutes. So next reason has to be the 64 megapixel quad rear camera. Now Vivo is one of those brands which has been really innovating in terms of camera aspect. We have seen this on the Vivo X50 as well, one of the stunning camera smartphones in the price segment. So now with the Vivo V20, Vivo is bringing a 64 megapixel Samsung GW1 sensor and 8 megapixel multi-function wide angle camera. Now the wide angle camera can take super wide angle as well as bokeh and super macros as well, and there is also 2 megapixel mono camera. The rear camera has a 64 megapixel capabilities, and the details are really good. You can see some of the samples we have taken with the Vivo V20, and they have come really good. So if you are a person who loves taking a lot of pictures, Vivo V20 should be your device. Now fifth reason has to be this AG matte glass. So AG is anti-glare matte glass, and you can see that this does not attract any sort of fingerprints, and you can see that it looks really great. This is also scratch resistant, and Vivo has provided Gorilla Glass 5 to this glass. So this really has 2 or 3 main purpose. One is giving an aesthetic look which is actually stunning. Second is scratch resistant coating is there. Then apart from that, you also get anti-fingerprint coating. So overall it gives a great look and feel to the Vivo V20. So Vivo has also shared with us the back AG matte glass. You can see here this is sunset melody color, which the Vivo V20 is also available in, and you can see that it's extremely gorgeously finished, and you can also see that it's an anti-fingerprint coating along with a scratch resistant coating. So again, it looks really gorgeous. Now next reason is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G with 8GB RAM and Android 11 out of the box. So we know that Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G is a tried and tested chipset with good abilities even in terms of graphic quality as well as CPU performance, and on top of that you get 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage. So you're covered in terms of RAM as well as storage, so there is plenty of options available. So again, in terms of performance also, Vivo V20 should be a great device. Now reason number 9 has to be the beautiful AMOLED display. So this device comes with a beautiful 6.44 inches full HD plus resolution display. It's an AMOLED display with HDR10 enabled and maximum brightness of 600 nits, and along with that you get a typical brightness of 430 nits, which is pretty good, and the colors are again a really vibrant, crisp and sharp display. Now on top of that you also get the display glass protection. You get the short sensation glass protection on the display, which is again good, so it's well protected in terms of the display as well. Now if you're a gamer, you might want to have the best experience when you're gaming, and for that Vivo V20 has the Ultra Game Mode. So you can see that this Ultra Game Mode allows you to customize your games. So you can see here esports mode provides you minimal disturbance, optimized controls and optimized display settings, adaptive frame rate and temperature, so you get the best experience in terms of gaming. You also get 4D vibrations, game vibrations, game sound quality and sound effects can also be customized. If you are using earphones, you can get the best experience. Along with that, accidental touch prevention is also included. So all this functionality will come up when you start the gaming. You get on-screen controls to have the best experience in terms of gaming. So those are the 10 top reasons to pick the Vivo V20 this festive season. So the Vivo V20 pricing starts at 24,990 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Now the Vivo V20 is available in 3 fantastic colors: the Midnight Jazz, the one which we have right now. Then you get the Sunset Melody, which is a really vibrant color for people who love vibrant colors. And then also you get the Moonlight Sonata, which is rather the white variant, again something which is really good. So Vivo V20 is available on Flipkart with offers. You get 10% instant discount on SBI cards. There is an extra 2,500 off on exchange. There is also no cost EMI up to 12 months, and there is also V Shield complete mobile protection plan being offered. So those are the top 10 reasons to buy the Vivo V20. So we'll share the link in the description of this video to buy the Vivo V20. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.